sharing my experience here. So the location for my GDN interview was Chandigarh RO. Reporting time was 9:30 a.m. I came to SBI office. We were told to wait for the document verification part. I would suggest don't talk with the fellow candidates. There is going to be a lot of negativity around. Just don't talk with anyone there. The people verifying the documents may be arrogant. They actually misplaced one of my documents. So just don't panic if such kind of scenario arises. Just stay focused. I would actually suggest you take 2 copies of all the documents. So after the document verification part, there would be GD plus interview. We were told to wait in a room until called. So we were divided into GD groups. 12 people were there in each of the groups. Then after grouping us, then we were sent into a big GD hall. We were given badges numbered 1 to 12. Badges were like a roll number for an individual. So our roll numbers were mapped with a particular badge. So the panelist who will give the marks will give marks to a particular badge. So just leave that. So you will be treated as a number 1 to 12, right? If you can understand that. Finally we entered the hall. 2 very well dressed gentlemen greeted us. We were made to sit in a semicircular seating arrangement so that they can see everyone. Handbook and a pen was given to everyone. Actually we were given 5 minutes to jot down the points before the actual GD started. GD was to be conducted in 2 rounds. First round was on a specific topic. The topic for us was water crisis, and for the second part of GD there was a particular scenario that was given and we had to arrange particular events. The events were, I guess, 7 events were there, and we had to arrange that which event should be prioritized more in case such a scenario happens. So just don't panic. They're just testing your psychology, that what would you do in that particular situation. So both of these parts are 10 marks. Fine. Before the GD itself, we were made to give our introduction. So introduction part, we were told to tell us our name, our location, where we have graduated from, and if we have some work experience. So this was told to us to be said in the introduction part. So our GD was very smooth. One of the candidates was very nervous and he was shivering like anything. So he was given an additional opportunities to keep his views at the end also. So this was very nice of the SBI people. So what are the tips for the GD? Be calm and composed. Don't be aggressive. Sit comfortably. Don't be nervous. Don't try to overpower anyone. Use your general awareness, which you must have crammed like anything in the mains part. Use your general awareness knowledge. Throw in some facts and figures. Maybe a WHO point that this has happened. Maybe a COVID related point. Maybe some historical point, that something you can relate to Indus Valley civilization, or that current, for comparing that current scenario. So points should be heavy. Even if you say 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, they should be very heavy so that they make an impact. They should make an impact. Then after the GD part, we were given samosa and fruity. That was the lunch time. Then after the lunch came the interview part. There was a panel of 5 seated comfortably on the sofas, and we were on a particular chair. There was 1 lady and 4 gents in the panel. So this is the list of questions that were asked to me. First question was introduce yourself. Then why do you want to switch from Amex to SBI? The third question was who has the highest market share in credit cards? Then are you comfortable working anywhere in India? You are from NIT, why couldn't you crack IIT? So some pressure they tried to build. So the next question was, do you know Python? Are you comfortable with, if you are posted anywhere in India, head office Mumbai? So then I used to play javelin throw in college, so they asked me about the dynamics of javelin throw. Then they asked me about my current salary, if it was higher than what they were going to offer. And last was a basic general knowledge question, that who is the architect of Chandigarh city. Then at last, one male panelist asked the lady panelist to question me something. Actually, the lady panelist did not ask me anything during the interview. She actually smiled and said it has been more than enough for him, so let him leave now. So all of them smiled. So all of them said that all the best to me, all the best for the results. I said thank you and left the room with positive vibes all around. And some of the fun facts for this interview include that I had come from Gurgaon to Chandigarh a day before. I forgot bringing my formal shoes. I had to go to my friend's house in the morning to get the shoes. Thanks Robbie for that. And it was raining heavily still. A lot of difficulties. Still I was able to manage it somehow. So it is not difficult. If you try, you will surely succeed. And SBI interview is such a phase that if you can get good marks in GD plus interview, even if you have low score in the mains part, you will be able to crack the exam. So all the best everyone. I wish all of you succeed and be the next SBI POs. All the best. Thank you.